Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL One S 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode with the back camera. To get access to mirror effect, we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So hi again, and now we have to move to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Here let's slide a little bit down to the general category, and now we can find the mirror camera option. So by using the button from the right, we can turn off and turn on our mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.